What would happen if the flat earthers were correct and the earth were flat? How might gravity function? Would time zones still exist? Seasonal shifts? Would the conditions necessary for life to exist on Earth ever exist? Most importantly, disregard strolling to its edge. You simply could not overcome gravity. Wait, on a flat Earth, would gravity even be possible? Of course, the answer is yes. Our planet, as well as any other planet, is held together by the force of gravity. It is what initially creates a planet. If you tried to walk away from a pancake-shaped Earth, the force of gravity would pull the top of your body backwards as it pulled you closer to the center. By the time you reached the edge, down and behind you would be in the same direction. It would feel like you were ascending a hill that got steeper and steeper. Is that weird? What about water being drawn to the Earth's core? Or diagonal trees that develop in opposition to gravity's pull? The Sun follows next. How might a level Earth act in space? The Sun revolves around the Earth, not the other way around, according to one flat Earth theory. What if, like the Moon, the Sun went around the Earth? Since there would be no time zones, you would never experience jet lag in that scenario. The Sun would illuminate both the top and lower part of the planet. There would be no night and day cycles as a result of this. Also, no seasons. Likewise, solar eclipses. It would need to be much smaller than the Sun itself. Otherwise, it would completely consume the Earth. Since there would be no geomagnetic field to shield the Earth from its radiation, it would probably burn the planet anyway. The Earth's solid core generates the geomagnetic field, which prevents our atmosphere from escaping. Cosmic rays would bombard our bodies without it, damaging our DNA and causing cancer. The seas would escape into space, thus would the air and all our oxygen. However, let's assume that a magnetic field other than our own existed on a flat Earth. You would still be around to see some strange flat Earth effects in this way. Resemble your shadow. Imagine that you had a tall friend who lived 1,000 miles away. Your shadows would all be the same length on a sunny day. Since, not at all like here on a round Earth, the sun's beams would hit both of you at a similar point. Additionally, traveling would take a very different turn if you two met. Take a map that was presented by the Flat Earth Society. Yes, the one with Antarctica bordered by an ice wall and the Arctic in the center. Flying from Australia to some parts of South America would take you 32 hours in such a world. Did we mention that there wouldn't be a GPS? A flat Earth would prevent satellites from orbiting it, rendering humanity without navigation and synchronized time. This implies no ATMs, no MasterCards, and no high-velocity market exchanges. On the splendid side, with a decent sets of optics you could see Dubai's Burj Khalifa from any piece of the level world. However, let's be real, to see that the Earth is not flat, you don't need to build your own rocket. There is evidence everywhere we look.